Election results of the world's largest democracy by the oldest and the most trusted broadcaster of the country.
On 4th of June, every minute's update of vote counting from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m.
Know who took the lead and who trailed.
Accurate information from every seat, who won and who lost.
Listen to what we the people of India decided.
Tune into Akashvani Gold and other Akashvani channels for Lok Nirnay 2024.
This is Akashvani, the news read by Apu Kapak. The counting of votes is underway for the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. The counting is also taking place for the assembly polls in Andhra Pradesh and Orissa and by-elections to 25 assembly constituencies. As per latest trends for the Lok Sabha elections, BJP-led NDA is set to return to power as it leads in over 300 seats. However, opposition's India bloc is putting up a tough fight. Trends available for 542 out of 543 seats show NDA is leading in 292, while India bloc is ahead in 231 seats and others in 18. The BJP has already won Surat seat in Gujarat uncontested. The party alone is leading in 25 seats and Congress is ahead in 1. Prominent candidates who are leading include Prime Minister and BJP leader Narendra Modi from Varanasi, Union Minister Amit Shah from Gandhinagar, Nitin Gadkari in Nagpur, Jyotiraditya M. Scindia from Guna and Piyush Goyal from Mumbai North, and BJP leaders Shivraj Singh Chauhan in Vidisha and Phaggan Singh Kulaste in Mandla ST seat. Congress leader Rahul Gandhi from Raebareli, Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav from Kannauj and Samajwadi Party leader Dimple Yadav from Mainpuri are leading. Prominent candidates who are trailing include BJP leaders and Union Minister Smriti Irani from Amethi, L. Murugan in Nilgiris and V. Muralidharan in Atingal seat. BJP leader Dr. Tamilisai Sundarajan from Chennai South seat, National Conference candidate Omar Abdullah from Baramulla and Shatrughan Sinha of TMC from Asansol. In Uttar Pradesh, out of 80 seats, the BJP is leading in 35 seats. Samajwadi Party 34 seats, Congress Party 7 seats, Rashtriya Lok Dal 2 seats, Azad Samaj Party Kanshiram and Apna Dal Sonelal 1 on 1 seat each. In Maharashtra, trends are available for 48 seats. BJP is leading in 11 seats, Shiv Sena is ahead in 5 seats and NCP in 1 seat. Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray is leading in 11 seats, Congress in 11 seats and NCP Sharad Pawar is leading in 8 seats. Congress among prominent candidates, BJP leaders Nitin Gadkari in Nagpur, Piyush Goyal in Mumbai North and Ujjwal Nikam in Mumbai North Central are leading, while Shiv Sena leaders Dr. Shrikant Eknath Shinde in Kalyan and Jadhav Pratap Rao Ganpat Rao in Buldhana are leading. Shiv Sena Uddhav Thackeray leaders Sanjay Dina Patil in Mumbai North East and Arvind Ganpat Sawant in Mumbai South, and Congress leaders Chhatrapati Shahu Shahaji in Kolhapur are leading. NCP Sharad Pawar leaders Dr. Amol Ram Singh Kolhe in Shirur and Sashikant Jaivantrao Shinde in Satara seat are leading. NCP candidate Tatkare Sunil Dattatray is leading ahead in Raigarh seat. In Gujarat, BJP is leading in 25 seats while Congress is leading in 1 seat. Among prominent candidates, Dr. Senior BJP leaders Amit Shah in Gandhinagar, Dr. Mansukh Mandavia in Porbandar, Purushottam Bhai Rupala in Rajkot, Hasmukh Bhai Patel in Ahmedabad East, C.R. Patil in Navsari and Dr. Hemang Joshi in Vadodara are leading, while Congress leaders Chandanji Talaji Thakur in Patan is leading. Union Information and Broadcasting Minister Anurag Singh Thakur expressed confidence that BJP-led NDA will retain power. Thakur said BJP will definitely emerge victorious after completion of all rounds of counting and will form government for third consecutive term. Congress leader Ragini Naik said that India bloc will emerge victorious and will win more seats. Talking exclusively to Akashvani News, Ragini Naik said NDA will be unable to cross 272 seat mark required to form the government. That's all in this news bulletin. Namaskar.